In this engaging video, I'll take you with me through the full experience of the Radisson Beach Resort on Palm Jumeirah. We'll start in the elegant and modern lobby, then head to the room where you'll get a quick look at the cozy layout and the view. After that, we'll explore the private beach area, calm, clean, and perfect for a relaxing day in the sun. You'll also see two different pools on the first floor and 13th, each offering a different vibe depending on what you're in the mood for. Then it's time for breakfast. I'll show you a bit of the buffet and the atmosphere in the morning. We also stop by the gym in case you're wondering what the fitness options are like. And the fun bonus, we ended up in an Escobar restaurant, so stay tuned. This video is full of moments that might help you to decide if this hotel is the right fit for you for the next Dubai stay. Hi, for those who don't know me, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Alina and I'm a YouTube blogger based in Dubai. I've been living here for 22 years and I love sharing my experiences, especially beautiful hotel, beach spots and pool days. If you're visiting Dubai or just looking for the best places to relax and enjoy, I'm here to help. Feel free to leave any question in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. Also, you can email me. I also want to thank everyone who supports this channel, especially those who already have donated, and I'm truly grateful for your financial support. It really helps this channel to grow and allows me to keep creating content from more amazing places. And of course, I appreciate every like and comment. Your support means the world to me. Let's talk about the location. Radisson Beach Resort is located right on the West Palm Beach. The hotel has a prime location and you can reach Dubai Marina in about 10 minutes, Mall of the Emirates in 15 minutes, Dubai Mall in 20-25 minutes by car. And if you're flying in and out, airport is roughly 30-35 minutes away, depending on the traffic. It's a great balance. You get a luxury and calmness of the Palm, but you're still close to all the main attractions and shopping destinations. It's a kind of place where you can wake up by the beach and still make it to the city in no time. And now let's talk about the hotel itself. It's quite a special one. Radisson Beach Resort Palm Jumeirah officially opened in October 2022, making it one of the newer beachfront hotels on the Palm. It was developed by Silver Beach Properties Ltd and Soul Properties Development and operates under the Radisson Hotel Group, a globally trusted hospitality brand known for combining comfort, modern style and great service. The design of the hotel is sleek, contemporary and coastal. Light colors, airy interior, and lots of glass. You'll notice a mix of natural wood tones, warm grays, and soft beige accents throughout the hotel. This combination isn't random. It's actually a very intentional design choice that creates a relaxed, beachy atmosphere without feeling overly casual or basic. The wood elements brings a touch of nature indoor and add warmth, making the space feel more grounded and welcoming. The gray and neutral tones give the modern and minimalist edge, clean, elegant, and very on brand with a high-end coastal resort. The style fits perfectly with the Palm West beach lifestyle, luxury, comfort, and a little bit of barefoot elegance. It's the kind of place where you instantly feel like you're on vacation, even if you're just here for a day. With soft tones and modern finishes that makes you feel instantly relaxed. And the layout of the property is designed to maximize the stunning sea views. Whether you're by the pool, in the gym, or just walking through the lobby, this is not just another city hotel. It's full-on beach resort experience with a relaxed vibe, perfect for both tourists and Dubai residents looking for a quick escape like me without leaving the city. I celebrated my birthday in this hotel. It isn't far from my place, from my home, but it's such an amazing, relaxing vibe. So I really enjoyed this hotel. I knew this hotel before. I haven't stayed here, but I love this one. It really made me feel that I'm not in Dubai at all. I highly recommend you check out this hotel. It's affordable, it's beautiful, the rooms were nice and big. I chose the premium room, but then you will see it in this video how my room looked like. Thank you, continue watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And now let me show you the room we stayed in the premium room with a partial sea view, and honestly it feels very spacious and thoughtfully designed. There is an open-closet concept that keeps the space feeling airy, plus plenty of mirror space. Yes, very important for me, and a very large length mirror as well. The layout is open and modern. It has a sleek open sink setup and a separate closed bathroom and shower, which adds both style and privacy. It doesn't have a lotion in the room. I was really surprised that it didn't, but everything else, it was one toothbrush, one toothpaste. I don't know why they expected me to be alone, but anyway, we asked for more and they delivered. The room gives off a clean, minimal vibe, nothing too extra, but everything you need is right where it should be. The color scheme continues beachy, calming tones you'll see throughout the hotel, soft wood gray and neutrals, creating this really fresh coastal feel. I really like the room, and there is a surprise for me from the hotel. They have surprised me with a birthday cake and the balloons. It was very cute and sweet. I left a comment in the booking.com as well. I am really appreciating those kind of small moments. They were just great amenities, room amenities, a kettle, tea, coffee, and 6 small complimentary bottles of water, which I really appreciated. And this is our premium balcony. In front of me is a corner room. That's why we got the best room out of premium rooms. And this is a beautiful view we have. It looks at the beach view, the beach, a sea view, and best beach. Good morning, my beautiful people. Whoever is already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I'm super grateful and I appreciate everybody. And today I woke up super early after my birthday just to record this video for you. So I expect support from your side, so don't forget to like this video. It will really mean a lot to me. And let's go continue watching this amazing video. It's Radisson Beach Resort on Palm Jumeirah, and I've chosen this hotel to stay for one night for my birthday, so I'm super excited. I'll show you around and continue watching. Now let's go ahead and talk about the beach. And honestly, one of the most beautiful parts of the whole stay, Radisson Beach Resort has direct access to the Palm West Beach, and their beach area is designed in collaboration with Mila Smoky, giving it a trendy, stylish, and slightly exclusive feel. This beach is only 1 minute away from the hotel, literally. And the entire setup gives a strong beach club meets chic restaurant vibe. There is a bar right by the beach, so you can easily grab a drink while enjoying the sun or watching the sunset. The music is soft and chill, just enough to give it a lively atmosphere without being too loud or overwhelming. The design is all about the blue tones, as you can see, soft beige and natural texture. Everything blends so well with the sea and the sand. Perfect place to take pictures as well. Think elegant lounges, big umbrellas, and cozy sitting area that feels more like a stylish lounge than the typical hotel beach. It's calm, relaxing, still social and fun. You can actually spend the whole day there without getting bored. What makes the beach special is just not overcrowded and still gives you that you're on a holiday feeling, even if you're a Dubai local. The whole vibe is very easy luxury, exactly what you want from the beach resort on the Palm. And now we are going into the Radisson, back to the hotel. You can see on the right side is Escobar. This is where I celebrated my birthday. It was a random walk-in restaurant. It was full of music. I enjoyed so much. it's time to talk about breakfast, which was actually included in my room, and I really enjoyed it. It's served in a beautiful, bright restaurant with a relaxed vibe. I went down to film around 7 a.m. and it was completely empty at that time, which was perfect for capturing everything clearly without people on the way. The buffet setup looked super fresh and the plates were all full. So in this video you'll get to see how it looks before the rush and how peaceful the restaurant and early in the morning. The breakfast itself is a buffet, and while it's overly extravagant, it has everything you need. Fresh breads, cheeses, hot dishes, fruits, and more. There was also an omelette station, and I had my favorite white egg omelette, freshly made for me. You could also make your own coffee and tea. There was a small juice station with a few options. I'm not sure if juices were 100% freshly squeezed, but it was still nice to have a variety. Overall, the breakfast was basic but on point, fresh, clean, and good selection to start the day right. I had plenty of food, and the calm morning vibe made it even better. Even the music in the hotel breakfast restaurant was amazing. I really enjoyed it because usually it's getting really crowded and then super noisy. It feels like I am in the kitchen, but this place was really having this relaxing vacation vibe. I enjoyed so much. Everything is very fresh. I enjoyed my breakfast. I was sitting there for around an hour and a half or something, really long time, and nobody told me anything. I was just enjoying my coffee. I was enjoying my food. I tried almost everything. The vibe is so relaxing. You can see the tables are so beautiful, overlooking the West Palm Beach. The music, people, the staff were really nice. I highly recommend you checking out this hotel. And if you're not taking the breakfast in your package, the prices are, I think, from 90 to 120 dirhams per person.
I saw lighting.
And here I am taking influencer shots of this hotel food. I really loved it. As you can see, it looks really good. They had some selection of Arabic foods like hummus, mutabla. You have to try this. Now let's take a look at fitness facilities at the Radisson. The hotel offers 24 hours fitness center located at 13th floor, the same as the pool. The gym is modern, compact, and thoughtfully equipped. Cardio machines like treadmill, elliptical, and stationary bikes, strength training options including weight machines and cable stations, and free weight dumbbells, with incredible view on Arabian Gulf and Dubai skyline. While you train, you can have a water and towel. Now let me explain the difference between the two pools at Radisson Beach Resort. The pool on the first floor that we're going to is complimentary and only for the hotel guests. So if you're staying at the hotel, you can enjoy it without any extra cost, and it's on the same floor of the breakfast restaurant. It's very quiet and perfect if you're looking to relax by the water without any distractions. I went to the pool at 7 a.m. in the morning. It was very empty, so I could take a video for you. Look at this view. It's so beautiful. It's overlooking the West Palm Beach. And this is the hotel. Some rooms are looking at the pool, some rooms are looking at the sea, and other rooms looking also on the street. When I was there yesterday, when I have arrived in the afternoon, I went to the pool to check out, and it was so crowded. I did not expect that to be in the summer because it's mid of July and it's actually very busy hotel. But now at 7 a.m. in the morning, it's super chill and peaceful. If you want to enjoy by yourself, by the pool, it's a great timing. And this is how it looks. And this is how it looked yesterday. I recorded this video the day before. This you can have a breakfast, lunch or dinner in this restaurant, Serene. Even outside you can sit by the pool. So it's very beautiful, but it's a bit crowded, as you can see. And now let's go to the 13th floor. There is another pool, a rooftop pool bar with absolutely amazing views of the sea and the skyline. This is really special. And again, I took a video of the sunrise, so basically at 7 a.m. and also in the afternoon that I took yesterday. They allowed me to take video and to take a view of this, so I really appreciate that they did. Because you have to keep in mind, this one is not included in your stay. It's more like a beach club setup. So you'd like to spend the day there. Here are the prices. Regular sunbed at the moment when I asked, obviously, the regular sunbed price is $300 per person and a large double bed is $1,000 per day. So these prices are just for the moment that I asked, which was July, summer, mid of summer 2025. And to give you a full picture, I actually filmed both in the morning and again in the afternoon, so you can see the difference. This was on Friday, so you'll notice how much busier it gets later in the day, but it wasn't that busy, to be honest. In the morning, it's peaceful, calm, perfect for sunrise vibes. And as you can see, there are two jacuzzis right here with a beautiful view. So if you're planning to stay in this hotel, I highly recommend you visiting this place. Even if you don't want to take the sunbed, I am definitely sure they will allow you to take a video or just to have a look at this beautiful view. It's breathtaking. Like, I've seen this view before, like a year ago with my friend. We were visiting this place and we had a class and I couldn't forget it. It's truly unbelievable. Not every hotel has this amazing pool, so I highly recommend you checking this view yourself. And here is the sunset time on Friday. This is how busy it can get in the summer. Not so busy, I can say. They had a music, of course, and it was a club, beach club vibe, so you would definitely enjoy this infinity pool here. So this was my experience at Radisson Beach Resort, Palm Jumeirah. Overall, a beautiful and peaceful stay with everything you need for relaxing time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. And if you like to support my channel, you can donate throughout PayPal. The link is in the description, also shown in the screen. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.